ABJURE. Do you know what the word ABJURE means? It's totally okay if you don't know. Right now, we're going to learn what ABJURE means and we're going to hear a little story about it. Are you ready? Let's get exploring. What we will discover today. Join us on a language and growth adventure as we discover the meaning of the word ABJURE through the story of a forgotten garden in need of renewal. Our word, ABJURE. ABJURE is more than a mere rejection. In our story, the neglected garden experiences profound transformation through the power of abjuration. Here is the illustration. Imagine a once lush garden now overgrown with weeds, its vibrant colors faded. The decision to abjure neglect involves not just removing the weeds but cultivating a renewed garden to care. It's a cautious decision to say no to decline and instead welcome the hidden potential that can thrive despite being ignored. Okay, we're gonna now read the story. Are you ready? Let's go! In a quaint village, there existed a forgotten garden. Once vibrant with blooming flowers and thriving greenery. Over time, neglect took its toll, and the garden lost its former glory. One day, a caring soul named Emma stumbled upon this hidden gem. Moved by a desire to restore its beauty, she made a conscious decision to abjure the neglect that had befallen the garden. Emma began to meticulously remove the weeds, nourish the soil, and tend to each plant with love and dedication. As weeks passed, the garden responded to Emma's care. Colors returned, flowers blossomed, and the once neglected space transformed into a vibrant oasis. The act of abjuring neglect not only revived the garden but also created a harmonious sanctuary that inspired the entire village. Our conclusion. This tale was amazing, right? In this tale, the word abjure comes to life as Emma's intentional rejection of neglect brings about a flourishing transformation. That means she didn't want to leave the garden unattended and decided to make a difference. Well, Emma is such a nice girl. This story introduces a different facet of abjure, illustrating its power to revive, renew, and create harmony in areas touched by intentional care and commitment. These are a couple sentences I found with the word abjure. Number 1. After realizing the harmful effects, she chose to abjure the habit of smoking for the sake of her health. Well, good for her, because whoever does that, it's very bad for their health. Don't ever do that. He promised to abjure sweets, but couldn't resist the temptation of chocolate. I get him a lot, because chocolate is something a lot of kids don't really want to let go. Who doesn't like sweets when they're like 5 or 6 probably? Wow. Well, it's really hard to get rid of sweets, but it just can't. It's like sweets are your life. But at the point, they're really bad for you. Facing health concerns, he made a resolution to abjure fast food and embrace a healthier diet. Well, good for you, whoever chose to do that. Just good for you. In an effort to save money, He made a commitment to abjure unnecessary expenses and stick to a budget. Wow, that is really smart, because the less you spend, the more you have time to buy something you really want or really need. Thank you for watching. Mention any new word if you want to learn about it in the comment section. Subscribe for more facts about any other word you'd like. I hope you enjoy our video. See you later. Bye bye.